Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to Oju Olape Space. Today I'm going to be taking on how to roast plantain, and that is what we call boli in Yoruba, and it's a Nigerian street food which can be mostly enjoyed with roasted granite. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to roast this plantain, because now this is plantain season. You can find it around everywhere when you get to the market. On your roadside we have plantain, and for you to know how much I even love plantain, I just transplant a plantain the growing one. I just plant it at my backyard because I'm going to show you. I really want to start enjoying plantain. I love plantain so much. Once I go out, I see roasted plantain and granite, I don't know, I would just start, I must buy it. That is just it. So today I'm going to show you how to roast this plantain at home so that you can enjoy it with your family. You can use your gas, you can use your microwave, you can use your stove, you can use your coal pot. If you have coal pot, that is charcoal pot. And if you also have oven, you have different method in roasting your plantain. You can see as I'm smiling, I love plantain so much. So I just want to take you how I roast plantain, like especially when it is plantain season here in Nigeria. So come along. If you're watching me, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, support Ojalape. Ojalape have been fully monetized. Please guys, don't skip my advert. Let your baby girl grow so that we can enjoy more and beautiful videos. I have to take you around and show you a lot of things that you need to know. Let's go and roast our boli, which is our plantain. So this is my plantain. Though plantain is very cheap now, so this is, I'll be making use of the plantain. So I'm going to be cutting it. So this is my microwave. It's an old microwave stove, so this is how it looks like. So this is the microwave. This is how it looks like. When you open inside, it comes with this gloss. Though it's an old microwave, it has the first tray, it has the second tray. So, and this is how the inside looks like, and this is it. So it's not on. So this is the wire. I'm going to connect it. So if I connect it, this is the connection here going up of it. So I'm going to put it on. So this is an old one, so this is how it looks like. So let me place it well. So this is how it looks like. So connect it to, this is the wire plantain. So I'll cut it here, I'll cut it here. So I'll give it a cut at the middle. So this is it. This is it. So this is the first one. So give it a cut here, and he's out. So this is it. So this is the fourth one. So this is the first one. So this is what you're going to be doing. You just give it a slight cut, not so deep. So it's for the first one, and for the second one, also give it a slight cut, not so deep. And for this, not so deep. The fourth one, this is it. just a slight cut. So now I'll be taking them. I'll just remove the dirt. So I'll be taking them to where I roast. So it's showing that this is it. Yeah. The first one, this is it. See it. See it. So now I'm going to close it. Now you can see here the light is not on. So it's not on, it's still off. So take it down. So I'm going to put it on. Oh yeah. So you can see it is now on. You can see the light. So this is it inside. So I'm going to allow it to roast. This is it. Okay. I'm going to check it after some times, and as you can see, the up is turning goldish in color, but it's not ready. It's not ready for it to get ready. Every part is really going to turn brownish in color. So what I'm just trying to do is the heat up. I think it's more than the one down. So I'm just trying to like, okay, let me turn it. And the process, it was very, very hot. So I couldn't turn it because of the heat. So I just to leave it, but I'm sure it's going to get ready very soon. It doesn't really take time. You just make sure you turn it around because I really want every part to get golden brown. So that's why I have to check and check interval. Wow, checking it again, as you can see, wow, our boli is almost ready, but it's not. I really wanted it to really get the heat to get inside, so I'm still going to allow it to stay a little bit. You can see the color, you can see how it looks like. You are going to really enjoy it. So if you're watching my video, please subscribe to Ojuola Crispies. If you like this type of content, put it in the comment section and tell me what more videos you want me to show. For you to know it is ready, it's going to turn, every part is going to turn golden brown. And as you can see every part has really changed. You can really see that is golden brown. Then, I gave it a cut at the side so that the heat will really penetrate inside. It's not just the outer side is going to get burned or get golden brown and the inside won't be ready. So that's why I to give it a cut. Now you can see it is ready. So I'm just going to serve it out and you can enjoy this with your granite. If you like beans, yes, you can enjoy it with cooked beans and you can eat it alone, but it's a street food that I love and I like making it at home. Still love me to buy it. So guys, this is how I prepare my bole using my microwave. And you can see my old microwave. Well, I wouldn't mind if somebody is ready to give me a new microwave. I welcome that. Thank you so much. This is our bole. Our bole is ready. This is being, I made this at home. I didn't buy it. Of a plantain, I had to plant it at the back of my house. See, it's so small. And what I do every morning, I water it just because of the weather. The weather now is dry, no rain, so I have to keep on watering. That's why you see it is growing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.